for joining us. I'm Jolene Cheney.
And I'm Adam Snyder, filling in for Kevin Ogle. Oklahoma attorney Matt Stacey is facing several felony counts, accused of helping out-of-state clients illegally grow marijuana in the state. You may remember Stacey. He was appointed by Governor Kevin Stitt to help hospitals deal with the surge of COVID-19 patients. He's no longer a state employee. News 4's Caitlin Ogle has been poring over the documents. Caitlin, what have you learned?
Well, state drug agents say Stacey is accused of being the middleman for international drug trafficking organizations.
The behavior of the individual named in these indictments is criminal. We're just really scratching the surface.
The Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics says attorney Matt Stacey is facing a 13-count indictment from the state's multi-county grand jury. These court papers say Stacey, a lieutenant colonel in the Oklahoma National Guard, acted as an advisor, quote, to international drug trafficking organizations engaged in industrial-scale black market marijuana manufacturing and trafficking. They also say he's a registered agent for approximately 310 businesses that have received or attempted to obtain licenses to commercially grow and sell medical marijuana. OBN agents say Stacey would help out-of-state clients illegally jump into the business here by paying an Oklahoman to sign on as a ghost owner. It's a way of getting around a state law requiring an Oklahoma resident to own 75% of a grow. Documents show one out-of-state grower paid Stacey $60,000 for this service.
That's what a lot of these consultants say is, I can help you with some of these challenges that you're going to face if you come to Oklahoma and hire me on as your attorney.
One ghost owner told agents she made $50,000 a year, no work required.
Their sole role in the whole thing is just to go to their mailbox and get a check. Many of them have later found out that these same consultants and law firms are now putting their names on 20 to 50 to over 200 licenses. They absolutely could be charged, and they are being charged with felonies.
Stacey also has political ties. Governor Kevin Stitt appointed him to his COVID-19 response team. He no longer has that role, but he donated the maximum $2,900 to Stitt's re-election campaign and supported Attorney General John O'Connor's re-election efforts as well. Stitt's team tells News 4, quote, it's terrible what is unfolding from a high-ranking official in the Oklahoma National Guard, and we will be donating Lieutenant Colonel Stacey's past primary contribution to charity. Meanwhile, the OBN says there are hundreds of more investigations like this underway.
This is not the first individual or entity to be indicted or charged, and it will not be the last.
And Stacey's attorney tells me his client has worked hard for 3 years to comply with the agency's ever-changing interpretations of the statutes and rules that must be met for marijuana growing licensures. Now, he says, quote, anytime Matt has taken a legal position or approach that encountered resistance, he has asked for agency clarification, most times without response. Meanwhile, the Attorney General's office responded saying Attorney General John O'Connor was never involved in any element of the organization or of the investigation or grand jury proceedings. No political contribution shields anyone from the consequences of criminal conduct. And you can see the full statements online.